Hey everyone, how are you doing here today? My name is Adam and we're here at Stony River on West End Avenue in Nashville, Tennessee. And today I will be showing you how to make a white sangria. It's perfect to share with friends and family and even introduce to new people. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to want to take a wheel of orange, lemon, and lime, cut those into quarters and add them to your shaker tin. Next, we'll take some Tuaca, which is a spiced vanilla Italian brandy. A hint of elderflower liqueur. Today we're using St. Germain. Go ahead and muddle those flavors together. Next, we'll take a hint of pineapple and simple syrup. 3 ounces of a Sauvignon Blanc of your choice. Go ahead and add your ice. Take your shaker top. Go ahead and mix. Next, get your wine glass ready. Pour in our ingredients. Top that off with club soda. And it's ready to serve. The white sangria. More of a red wine drinker, we have the recipe for a red sangria below in the description. And while you're at it, go ahead and like and subscribe. Cheers.